Yeah, some of the newest innovations that we've come out with recently is our new addition of new features within Mapping Matter. This is our browser-based projection planning tool set that we have. Very cool. Some of the new things involve pixel stretch, planning all of your projector placements, an updated library, lenses, and so on. And yeah, good ways of visualizing pixel density and what it's going to actually look like to be there in that experience. We're also coming out with our integration with SmartMonkey's Isaac solution. This is for managing any sort of production, either remotely sequencing content on a calendar or system monitoring. And then we also have our X-Range. This is focusing on taking the powerful designer software into a portable license. Disguise's toolset was initially built around concert touring, and that gave us a lot of strengths around being able to manage large-scale displays and really drive any type of content to these displays. But now with the introduction of the X-Range and a recent toolset, Ask Aiden, this allows us to have a co-pilot along with the operator, so as they're learning the system or to alleviate really mundane tasks that a large project might require, this assistant can really help get people into the workflow, understand what's required, how to program their system better, making things faster, more efficient, and ultimately lead to better productions overall. The Disguise solution, is at its core a media server, and a lot of people have that association that is almost strictly video playback. But, our architecture is set up so that we can scale that playback to any size or any resolution, any aspect ratio, which fits really well into a lot of these architecture or lobby installs or corporate installations. But also, we're not just playing back content. It's data-driven, it's real-time graphics, it's interactive, it's immersive. All of these things kind of come together, and we really see a much higher vision for what it means to drive content within a space, especially a working space or a public space. People are expecting more interactivity, and playback is good in a lot of cases, but doesn't really offer that next level of engagement that a lot of people are really looking for. I think having more shared connected spaces with people is what we all want, and happy to be part of that solution.